back to my channel. It's Paris from Project Pineapple P and family, and today I am going to be showing you how to put together the Friends Lego. It's 41335 and it's £24.99 in the UK pound, and I love it. I'm really excited. I found a new love for a lot of Lego. This one's Lego and Friends Treehouse, and I'm going to show you how to put it together. So let's get going. So we've got the booklet and stickers, and we have this piece. We've got these pieces that obviously must be going on last, I'm assuming. We've got pack 1, we've got pack 2, and we got pack 3. So let's get going. Oh my god, I've put it all together. It looks amazing. So basically, we got Mia. She is currently on the zip wire. Whee! Whee! And then we got Daniel on his scooter, which looks so fancy. Yeah! And we've got a really cute rabbit with his carrots, some flowers down here, and this, honestly, this playhouse slash treehouse is amazing. So the roof lifts up and down like this, and then you've got a nice little bird's nest, and then you've got the door that opens, you've got a little paint roller, some flowers, you've got a ladder that goes up and down and moves, And then you've got loads of little pretty flowers hiding underneath. This one doesn't like me, this little keep out sign, because I keep knocking it down. And then if we turn it around, so we turn this whole thing around, this is the best thing ever. Like, so you can lift this off, and inside there's maps, there's a little letter, there's a boomerang here, little toy boomerang, and it's basically got a keep out sign on, and that's at the top. Put that back, close the, and then you've got the cup, you've got a canned drink, you've got a scary ghost book with a really cool torch, and you've got the pizza, you've got some stars, some ABC, some maths, you've got a hammer, which is awesome. In this box downstairs, you've got a really cool, let me remove it all, you've got a really cool gun. No gun there. And then you've got some toy cars here. And then you've got some scissors. And you've got a ball here, which is really cool. So put the scissors with that. And you've also got a newspaper, which is pretty awesome. So put all them back in. And then obviously one of the most cool things as well that it has is that it has this amazing, so basically he can just go woo and go, get some speed on it for him. So yeah, this is the Friends Lego, and it's the treehouse fun with Mia and Daniel, and I'm telling you, it's pretty awesome, and it was so fun to put together. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, hit that notification bell, turn it from red to grey, and leave a comment, and I'll see you guys soon.